School on Monday family, as you can see, we're in a different place, not someone's house. We got a special guest today, the greatest. Shall we tell him, who is it?
It's SV2, my man.
It's SV2.
Got SV2 with us today.
Let's go, man. We've got SV2 in the building.
Alright.
Come in, SV2 now. We've got SV2. I'm joking. We got you there. But he's really here. He's really here.
This is Ruben's brother, by the way. He's come to join us.
We've got the same hairstyle, and
name's Saban here. Come on. I'm a fitness trainer and that. Follow me on Instagram.
Hey, stop plugging it in. We got you there. Now, for the real one. The only one.
The one and only.
The one and only. SV2! Where are you on the show now?
Listen, you're on my team, right?
Yeah.
Winning team, baby. Winning team, let's do this. W's only. W's only.
No teams on this one.
No teams on this. W's only, let's go. Winning.
I've got this.
Yeah. No.
Ruben.
No, first, look at this shit, but look, what's going on, big man?
This is the swag.
No, what is this?
He's Grandad! Did a quick check.
What is actually going on?
Grandad!
Nice.
This here, it's a wand. See, it's a wand. Yeah? It's a wand.
6 times you said that today. 6. I'm counting. If you say it again, I'm gonna slap you.
A wand.
If I win, oh my god.
Give you a bill if you win.
Alright, cool.
Come here. Remember you said that?
Yeah.
Facts.
I'll remember that as well.
£100 if I win.
Yeah, straight.
Or if I get higher than you.
What are you changing it for?
So it gets more personal.
Alright, we'll do that, but 50 if you lose.
No.
There we go.
Where's Ben?
Keep joking down there.
Ben, hurry up!
Alright, we're gonna spice it up a little bit, yeah? So we're gonna have a wild card each. We're gonna pick out the box. They're gonna be weak foot, sock, volley, dizzy. Every person's gonna get a wild card. So everyone, we're gonna get pick one each.
So go first, yeah?
Yeah, pick one.
Don't look at it though.
You can't see nothing.
Yeah, but you're always looking, I don't know.
What happened last time you folded it in a way that you knew?
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
Oh, cheat.
Oh, allow man!
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Listen, I'm happy with anything as long as it's not a sock. Because these walls are hard.
Are you gonna swap?
That's me.
You gonna swap?
Oh dear.
No, but isn't this to use it on another person?
Yeah, you
Alright,
use it on
so
someone else.
it's not
Every
every
wild
So every wild card, yeah, you use it at a certain time in the game for the people that you're playing against. So you don't actually use it yourself.
Yeah, for
okay?
one kick. For
One kick.
What, for
One
everyone?
kick. Yeah, for everyone.
Everyone.
So you can't
uses
use the same person over and over again.
No, it's a one-time
I'll
thing.
reveal that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use that at a certain point for all these, man.
Let me look at mine, please, yeah? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, look at mine as well. I don't have one of these.
Yeah, come on, man. That's mine right here. I got sock. Would you look? In case you don't believe me. Wow.
Welcome folks who are watching on Facebook and YouTube. I'm Brad White and I'm joined here today by Gary Bennett as we await the exclusive coverage of the PFGA Tour. The anticipation is big, wouldn't you say, Gary?
That's right, Brad. We're all looking forward to this one.
We haven't got long left now, Gary. It's a beautiful course we have here today. And how's about you tell our viewers at home what we can expect from this first hole?
Okay, Brad. This first hole is a par 4 and is 100 yards from the pin. But one thing that needs to be massively considered is the wind.
Indeed, Gary, it is very windy. And I know for sure a few of these kickers can't handle the wind.
Flags are blowing and the trees are shaking.
That's right, Gary, and squirrels are holding on for dear life.
Let's see how it goes. It's tee-off time, Brad. I'm excited for this one.
Here we go, Ricky to tee off. I expect a comfy stroke onto the fairway here.
That's a very good first shot there from Ricky. Let's see what SV2 has in store for us.
Probably the fans' favourite coming to today's event, Gary. Let's see what he can do.
No. Right now. There's no need for that. Right now. You know what? Activation. Now. Sock.
Yeah.
Now.
That's everyone though.
Everyone. Oh, Rick. Oh, you're done. I gotta wait.
Wait, chill out, man, chill out.
Get in the heads early.
I need a new sock.
I'm going for like a little safety. Don't matter.
Solid connection on that one, Brad. Good start.
Don't talk about rough like that. Look at that. I have that, man. That's light.
All right, who's
That's not bad. It's not bad.
David, big man like David.
Come on.
New boy David on show today, Gary. He's absolutely burst onto the scene. I wonder if he'll produce the goods.
Oh, Brad.
Oh my God, Gary. That's no good.
No goods produced there, Brad. Terrible kick.
Soft. Soft. That's his brother, you know.
Not after that, stop it.
Brad, here comes Jordan, aka the Buck. He's about to have his first swing at it.
Confident start by Jordan. Impressive.
Not a bad shot there.
Very healthy.
Let's go.
Okay, here steps up Ruben, coming into today's event in excellent form. Apparently, he's matched 3 girls on Tinder just yesterday.
Stop it, Brad, stop it.
Soft. Only right time for the right person.
Last but not least, Gary, we have Eric. Hasn't competed since 2010.
scared.
It says here, Brad, apparently he was in an entanglement.
Well, it seems after that shot, Gary, he's back in an even bigger one.
It's all part of the plan. Let's not get that confused. It's all part of the plan.
Can't do anything. Get out of the hole. That's a very don't touch my ball. Eric, stop it. Put me on.
A few good recovery shots there, Brad. Can SV2 do the same? Oh, did you see that, Brad? A bit of foul play there from Ricky. We don't have to see that.
Oh, Gary, come on now, behave. It was only a little bit of light-hearted banter.
Go, roll in, roll in, roll in, thank you very much. Oh. Oh. Wait there, wait there, wait there, thank you very much. I like that. Oh, you're left.
Okay, can Ricky do anything from this angle? Looks like he's deciding which foot to use, Brad.
Oh, no.
Oh my, it looks good, Gary. It looks good. Oh, that's unlucky.
Very close.
My God! We are high at the top. We come down to earth. That's life.
Tiger. Oh! Run, run, run. Up, boy.
What's that? Yo, what's that, big man?
Oh, that's dead, man. That's very healthy.
Soft. Soft.
Yo, chill, big man. Chill, chill, chill!
You gotta go over there now, innit? Over there.
Chill. Ah, that's it. You can't. No, no.
Oh my God. Oh no.
Keep going. Alright, I am pulling it out, What? Oh! Volley, everyone next hit is a volley. Volley. Players will have to volley the ball out of their hands when taking their shot with this wild card.
Oh,
Yeah.
very small.
Hey, I tell you what.
Very small.
How does it work? Someone just drops it and then you do it.
Yeah, you got to pick the ball up and you got to volley it from your hand.
Oh, straight volley.
Yeah, straight volley.
Alright,
you lot
sweet.
close, so that's going hill.
Sweet, sweet, sweet. I tell you, it's not bad.
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.
You ain't got this. This is bouncing straight over that hole.
Oh, done.
Oh.
It's over.
Now we have Ruben. Definitely the smartest dressed on the course today.
It'll be difficult, but could he volley this one in from here, Gary? Looks good. Oh, Gary. Oh, unfortunate. Very unfortunate there.
Keep on rolling. That's what we love to see.
I'm going laces.
No!
No, that's in.
Oh my God! Yes. Hey, wait, this is it. This is actually, it's destined for me. It's destined for me to win.
David first.
Oh! That's gone. See ya.
Sheila.
David, you're back to the tee off. You're back to the tee off. Look at it.
I don't have to do a volley, by the way. It's my wild card.
That is very good. It's actually.
Come on, man. Come on.
But now that's gone.
No, stop. Stop, stop, stop.
It's me, I'm Ben.
Alright, sweet. Gary, did I see that correctly?
I think you did.
That's a good 10 yards from the hole, Gary.
Semi-pro that didn't make it. Talking about football.
Good 10 yards.
I think you
I'm surprised by that one.
He's aiming for something else.
On the top of the ball, roll.
They're distractions, man.
Someone's nervous.
Let's go! Come on, man. Alright, take the ball out.
If Ricky puts this Brad, he looks to be a strong contender to win the whole thing.
He seems to be lining up a putt nicely.
Big pressure on this putt.
That may have cost him the game.
Big mistake early on.
Give advice if you can't take nothing.
Wait, can I have a replay of that one, please? Give me a replay. Give me the replay right now.
No, that's lost me the game.
It's me.
I'm chilling.
I'm fuming.
You're going to get buffed.
I'm fuming.
You're going to get 14.
Stop it, redo.
You see, in golf here, big man, everyone's so far away.
Nah,
So I feel the pressure. Yeah, social.
So is this your 4th or 5th?
It's in my 4th.
Yeah.
4th.
Don't hit directly.
Oh.
See, I told you, bro.
You can't do that. No, you can't do that. You can't do that.
You're done. You're done.
He's cancelled out the game. I don't want to hear from you.
I'm trying to help you. Come on, then.
How long is that? He said not today. He said not today. He said not today.
This is disgusting. This hole is disgusting.
It's all about the technique. Combine the two, you got this. Tell you what now. You know what? It's not bad. Hey,
Alright, say nothing. So that's Ricky's 5th now.
no. It's gonna roll down.
Oh, that's lovely. But he can't putt.
Yeah, he's been there before.
You guys are cheap. An absolute cheap.
Let me go.
You know what? Yeah, go on.
Cheat as well. Using equipment to scare me and that. See that thing there never can be trusted. Don't have her friends. Never can be trusted.
This is my 5th shot.
I'm telling you. Hit it over there. Half pitch, gonna roll back down.
Obviously, you do you. That's what I'm
Overhit. Overhit.
Let me just finish it off real quick.
Nice putt there, Brad.
Seems like a few players are struggling here, Gary.
Too many kickers out there under hitting the ball. With the pin sitting on top of the hill, it's very important to make sure the ball sticks and it stick good, Brad.
Couldn't agree more, Gary. Couldn't agree more.
So you're talking
Come on,
bad,
man.
and you got the same number.
Rattle, rent free, cuz.
Well done, I like that one.
6.
Right, lads.
See this light skin behaviour thing.
This is my fault.
What?
It's my fault.
No way.
It's my fault. This is why I was telling you hurry up because I've been there waiting for time. It's my fault.
It's your 5th.
Okay, cool.
This is your 5th. This is your 6th.
It's on camera. It's on camera. Then say it's 5. That's 5. It's on camera. Cinco.
I wonder if this young lad is ever going to finish, Brad.
Me too, Gary. Me too. At this rate,
worry about winning.
you've got to feel sorry for the guy.
I'm not quite sure why he turned up, Brad.
That's heartbreaking. That's heartbreaking.
No way.
I should stop it for him, man.
This is that's sad.
So I gotta keep going.
Huh?
I gotta keep
Keep going. Keep going. Bits the flag again.
The last shot, yeah?
This
Don't
shot
down the hill.
is critical.
Was this 10? What do you want?
If you miss, it's long.
You're what?
This is 7 now.
Yeah.
Just like Ruben is.
He's surely got to sink this one. Never mind, Gary. Never mind.
One more.
Right.
25.
You want to do it?
I can't feel sorry for these, man. You know, I don't want to go all out on them, so I'm gonna do a hole in one list. You know?
Okay, Brad, the second hole is a surprising par 4.
It's quite hilly, this one, Gary. I expect the kickers to be aiming more to the left side of the pin. You don't want it rolling to that right side.
Couldn't agree more, Brad.
I told you I've been
Weak foot.
for the first round. I used my weak foot already. It's like,
Weak foot. Players will have to kick the ball with their weak foot.
It's my right foot.
left.
David's both of them is weak.
No, I'm left foot.
Your left foot?
Weak foot's left foot.
We've been working on it, so calm now.
Cool. Who's going first?
We've got SV2 to start this hole off.
SV2, let's get it.
Brad, did you know you began uploading videos to YouTube back in October 2012? It's a long time in the game.
He's also a Sagittarius, Gary. Don't know why that matters, but I'm just throwing it out there.
He starts off strong, Brad. Could have done with hitting it more to the left, but that'll do.
That will do. Every shot he'll put a paddy kick on it.
Okay. Where's that come from? Oh, where's it going is the question.
Yeah, I mean, it looked healthy at first.
So we saying left foot, yeah.
Right foot.
No, I'm right foot, bro.
No, you're not. You're right foot. You're
Exactly.
left foot. Jordan.
What?
Stop cheating, man.
No, I would like it from the tee off. In between the posts.
Look, the posts are here.
The posts are here, yeah? We don't go over
Dusty.
there. Put it down.
Dusty, no grass, no nothing. Right, weaker foot. Ooh,
It's going wide.
ain't got one.
I was nervous on the first hole, I don't know why. Yeah, that's
Tell you
it.
what, Rick.
That's the line.
Tell you what, Rick. Hey,
Me.
My pitch.
bad you.
Ruben, come on, mate.
Not bad you.
I don't have to do my weak foot, obviously.
Eric, no, I need to stay here for the shot. I gotta stay here. Hey, I'll tell you what.
No, it's going wide.
Hey, nah. Can you take a second? Nah. This is gonna be
Let me tell you a little backstory, yeah?
mad.
I used to be right-footed and I broke my leg on my right. Then I become a left foot. So
Right.
hopefully, you know what I'm saying?
Nah.
Show us your one,
Can we say a prayer?
Here comes Eric with his right foot. This could be very interesting.
Sometimes I wonder how these players made it onto the tour, Gary. Absolutely shocking.
Oh my god!
Oh, that's alright.
Oh! So you going for a little?
Break for the proper way.
That is very good. That is, yeah. Hey,
That's exactly what I said.
yeah.
Said he didn't want to listen.
We can't putt that now. It's going down the hill.
You can't fuck.
Remember how many shots you've taken, Carl? You're a big cheat.
There's the one that's cheating all the time.
David on you.
Jordan just waffles all day long, but there's no end product. There is no end product, and it's worrying because there's no end product in life in general for him. But it's okay.
Great arrow. Let him do it. Yeah, straight. Hey, I like it.
Secure aggression.
I like it. No way he's done that. Stop it. Oh! Oh! Let's see what much it is now. The Brett 3 just slightly to the right. Side cut though. Alright, I'll tell you what, son.
Stay there.
I think he touched the ball.
Wait. You touched the ball.
No. He's swiping away.
Jordan steps up. If you could sink this to get an eagle, you'll be in good stead for the upcoming holes.
Way too much on it there from the buck.
Keep rolling. Let's go. Come to me. Rolling.
Ricky looks to take his second shot here, Gary. Oh my God!
He's only got a sunk it, Brad. Outstanding.
Unbelievable technique there from Ricky. He thinks he's got himself a birdie. He's going to be over the moon when he realizes
Go on, David.
it's an eagle.
Yeah, let me catch you. I don't need that.
I leveled you in it. Shoot my gambling. Okay. Oh! Okay.
No, I was 2.
Ahead of me last one, innit?
Yeah.
Okay. Shot 3.
What?
Oh no.
Oh, he got it! He touched the ball now! He can't do that!
Oh no.
That foot can't come on. You can't move. Oh, if they're studs leave.
Back down.
Come here, baby.
Back down.
Come. I'll take the W.
It looks like you didn't even take a shot.
Yeah.
That's horrible.
I told you, you think I dressed like this for no reason.
I might go for the roll, you know.
It's all about the attire.
Don't do it, bro. No, you know what? I back myself.
You ain't got the car.
Too much. No, you know what? I take it. Come.
Come on, David. Don't let your brother say
Bit of
anything.
advice, underhand.
Four.
He's upset.
4.
This is a long putt here from Eric. Can he deliver it to the pin?
Heidi.
He sure can, Brad. Great.
Don't play no games.
Oh!
Oh! Sit back
It's all about the method. It's alright, it's alright.
Imagine going from top of the table to mid table.
Is this 5?
Yeah.
This is 6 now.
No, 5.
Let me just finish it off. Alright.
That's it, finish it off.
That's it.
You know when you take your little brother everywhere just to be...
Yeah. You know what?
Bruh. Oh! I can't believe it.
This one.
Oh!
Again!
Retire. Hang up the boots now.
No.
I was joking.
Come on.
I think you've done that first one. Now on to hole 3, Gary. 165 yards from the pin, par 5.
Pretty straightforward this one, Brad. Nice and straight.
Nice and straight it may be, but that fat tree may cause a problem for some.
Right in front of the tee off, Brad, isn't ideal. Okay, Brad. Ruben to start this off.
He's only gone and hit that fat tree, Gary. You can see the pain in his face. He ain't happy with that one.
His chances of winning have been dented, Brad. Hopefully he can turn it around.
Who's going next?
I'll go.
You might as well come back and put it here again.
No reason.
That's what I mean.
Got this in the bag.
It's on the line.
No, no, no.
It's on the line.
No, no, no. The pegs are there for a reason. We go behind it.
It's on the line.
That's a whole yard.
It's on the line. It's on the line.
Bit back a bit.
No, it's on the line.
It's not on the line.
Yes, it is. Look at the peg and look where the ball is. It's on the line.
Just take your shot.
Jesus Christ.
Roberto Carlos.
Nah, this is gonna be just an Eric.
You're tinkers.
Don't do nothing stupid. Bruv, you can't. Again, bruv, don't do that.
Take your shot, Eric.
No.
It bounced in the rough.
Oh my god.
It's called a diversion.
Oh, this is impossible.
Bro, rolled it down the hill. I should have rolled it down the hill, bro. Just driven it.
No, the after.
You got the other one?
You know what?
These are shit.
Give him back.
Wrist taker, yeah?
Risk taker.
I like that.
Outside the foot.
I like that.
Carlos.
Being a risk taker is good.
What did he
but
do?
You need to be. You have the skill set forward to take the risk.
You know what?
Don't chat to me.
You're talking, but it's calm.
Not really.
It's in line. It's wide, but it's in line.
Line up what? You're not putting this hole here. Man said Roberto
make it
Carlos.
David's next. That's going to be bad.
See the technique.
Surely it could be further than Ben.
That's alright.
Okay.
Got past the trees. You got past the
That's
trees.
actually not bad. Look at him.
Yeah, go for it.
That's alright.
Stop it. Oh! Bro, I'm not even joking.
Right in them, uncle.
You know what? There's not that much to have done. Yeah, with all you could have done, you done well. What am I holding that for?
Yeah. Soft.
Bare wind. May have recovered it, may have not.
This one, just lace it. I might hit SVT, bro.
David could get to the pin from here, Brad.
Come on.
Far too much to the left, Gary. Far too much. He wanted to drive that one straight to the hole. Ended up in the rough.
Oh no. Oh.
You shouldn't be there in the first place. The green's over here, big man. Oh no.
Hey, this is so good. Bang, yeah?
Using the branch as momentum.
Ready?
SV2, the fan favourite, is in a tight spot here. What do you reckon he should do,
Okay,
Gary?
I'm good.
He just wants to play it safe and try and line himself up nicely for the next shot.
Very smart move there from SV2. His ball is laying very comfortable on the fairway.
Right, Rick, this is huge.
Yeah, wrap him round.
Yeah?
I can get this in. Believe.
Is that number 2, Ricky? That's mine now. No editing the surroundings.
Nothing. You're gonna move that tree if you can. Right, when can I call this one in?
Now. Where are you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, blindfold.
Oh, Eric.
Blindfold. Players will have to take their shot wearing a blindfold.
What the Yo! Look at this cheek. You gotta see me on that.
Where was it? It's here. I'm with the front. I'm gonna go back down. It's worse for me.
Come on.
Come on, man.
Gotta really get this in, to be honest.
It's the winning shot. Hit the ball. Stay there. Rolling. Too much. God damn. Way too much.
Alright, we got our first blindfolded shot here, Brad. It's to be taken by David. I wouldn't be surprised if he kicked himself at this rate, Brad.
He hasn't done too bad there, Gary. Maybe he should have played the whole game blindfolded. Put it down. Put it down, wait a second.
Come on, man.
What? Put it down.
What?
Nah! What?
Get back.
I'm seeing if you can actually see.
Is that tight? That's sweet. Yeah?
That's not tight.
Yeah, it's calm though. But I've got to do this to see. Cheats. Fucking cheats. Oh! No! No!
Yo, having this blindfolded is heck, isn't it? Hey, look. Oh wow, Brad, did Eric just touch Ricky's ball? That's bang out of order. Should be punished for that, Brad.
I'm not surprised at all, Gary. He comes across as a cheater. Because from today's performance, that's the only way he's going to get some spot. Oh my God, man!
No, we can't. One more. Ooh. Hey.
I'm so happy, lucky me.
Show my left foot. Use your left foot. Show them my text. Go on.
Better, you're right.
Don't.
Oh, this is mad.
That's your first.
This is his fourth one.
1, 2.
Yeah, and did he do one blindfolded?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, this is
No! I've gone left. No! Ah!
Go on. Keep going.
Good putt.
Clean putt there.
Two of the front runners, Ruben and Ricky, clean up there nicely.
This is why I can't play football with you. You're not really good, are you? Your passing accuracy is a
You're look where you are, bro. You got 11 at the start of the game. You're waffle.
You want to underhit it?
Ah, man, talk about sign. He talk all that talk.
Eric.
But I can't walk the walk. This is why I don't play football with you.
He's the furthest. I didn't even look properly. You rushed it. I did. Why did you rush it? Why did you rush?
the power!
What was that?
I'm just fed up, bro.
David's fed up.
If Eric putts this, Brad, it may give him a slight chance of winning coming into the last hole.
It looks good.
7. You know what? I'm gonna do something different.
Wait, you're not still playing?
Gently down the street. Stop.
Why do you keep doing that?
because it feels like, you know how you...
Oh! That's too much. Hey, wrap it up.
Come on, man, I believe in you.
That's alright.
Oh!
There's no way. I need the way of my line.
Right, ready?
There you go.
Preparation. Dedication.
Determination!
Humiliation, because he's gonna miss. Witness greatness.
Done.
That just sums up his performance today, really, Gary.
Sure does, Brad. It's awful. He should run home after that one.
Talk, but you can't walk the walk. It's big issues. It's very internal issues. Ah!
I spent loads of this just watching.
This is his 7th go now. No, 8th
This
go.
one's virtually possible to miss.
This is 8th go.
Can't miss that.
Can't.
That's his 8th go.
I don't even celebrate that.
7. It was 8, bro.
I thought it was 9, to be honest.
Absolutely not.
Why you did it so fast? Like you're good.
It's his 7th now as well. It's the same with me. You're right. You're right. You know what I'm looking.
Now take no. 8. I want to see his face.
This is a long putt here, Gary.
Finally, Brad. Good putt.
Everyone needs to use their wild card, innit? Who's left? Oh my goodness.
No, he isn't. This is 11th now.
11.
Yeah, 11th.
No, I'll take the L.
Like that.
Okay, folks, we've come to the last hole of the PFGA Tour. This one is a par 4, pretty straightforward. All players should just play it safe, side foot this one comfortably on the fairway. What do you think, Gary?
I agree, Brad. No point in taking risk on this last hole. Nice and safe will win the race, Brad.
I'll go first. I'm on 14. It's that putt there, yeah?
Eric leads the way on the last hole. Needs a good shot here.
Decent shot there by Eric. Good start.
That's far.
Yeah.
That's far, Jordan, bro.
Jordan's trying to gain a bit of advantage there, Gary.
Ruben's in the right. He should move his ball back a few yards, Brad.
You need a big round, but do it honestly.
Keep telling yourself you're on 15.
So I know that when I win, you lot don't need to hear. You're gonna look stiff.
No, just
His hammy's gonna go.
just prepping.
That's it, come on.
Bit wide.
Healthy, boy.
Bit wide. See you later.
You know what?
See you later. It's too far gone.
Too far gone. What was that last one? 11. Wow.
Come on, man. They hold this for me.
Yeah. Anything.
Oh, okay. Go down there. Bro. That's the negative energy that I don't need to see. Down there.
Push job.
Ricky's on 13.
This could be Ricky's time to step up and win this whole thing, Gary. We need a good shot here.
Oh no, Brad. That's not left him sitting pretty. Terrible shot.
Lucky.
Alright, I'll take it.
Ricky's on 14. Ruben's on 13.
Nice easy shot there by Ruben. No risk taken.
He's definitely looking
Look
afraid
him
to
up.
walk
Mr.
away with
Grey
this
Max.
one.
I wouldn't count Ricky out
He's
just
got
yet,
it here.
Gary.
What you got for us, son? I got something special still.
You don't even believe that.
I do believe that.
Nah, I don't believe it.
Innit, I got something special. Just look at that.
That's nice.
Why didn't I do that?
Let's go. Okay, the wild card, guess what it is? Egg on a spoon while you take that shot.
You lot. I'm doubling up. Egg and spoon. plus sock. Both. Doubling up. Now.
Egg and spoon. Players will have to balance an egg on a teaspoon while they take their kick. If the egg drops, it incurs a 2-point penalty on their score.
Socks. Players will have to take their trainers off and kick with their socks on.
Both foot. Both? Both. I'm only hitting with one. These are new socks.
Don't drop that, bro.
Oh, spawns. Oh,
no.
Alright.
So if you drop this in your shot, it's
+2.
+2.
I want another spoon.
No, you
The one
can't.
with the
Just
white
keep
hat.
going. Just keep going, man. Come on. We don't have time in here. That's not a bad shot.
Yeah. Hey.
It's gonna be hard to get over that thing though, but good shot.
No. What's this?
What's that? Little hill flip.
Safe.
Alright, my turn.
The wind's taking it over. Join me over there, bro.
My ball's in my way. Deary me. SV2's having a mare here, Brad. He's in the bush with 2 wild cards in play, socks, and an egg on spoon. Plus, he looks like he's opted to backheel this one.
I think at this rate, Gary, there's no coming back for SV2.
Yeah, I agree, Brad. But he has his reputation to uphold. So let's see if he can close out this hole in style.
Don't know what to say with that one, Gary.
Whoa.
Hey, did you see that? You see that?
Whoa!
I saw 2 touches.
Double tap diaries.
Yeah.
Oh, it's went like this. No. Nah. There's no double tap there.
What distractions? Oh my god.
Don't drop it!
Nice long putt there from the buck. He really needs this one.
He's hit that one well, Brad.
And he's done it.
Where's the X, Brian?
That's greatness. That's greatness. Greatness decks.
I feel like throwing this. I'm anger.
Yeah. Wildcard time. Dizzy.
Players will have to put one hand on a football and spin around it 12 times and take their shot while being dizzy.
You're getting dizzy, all of you.
Yes! No
Dizzy
dizzy, no nothing.
Touching the ball as well, yeah?
Wait, he decides. How many? I'm saying 20.
Whoa! They said they're spinning it. I'm spinning now.
Go, take the shot. Go on. Don't be acting.
Yo.
Don't be acting. Yeah, you gotta take
swear I'm
time.
not acting.
Come on.
Dizzy putt here from SV2. Surely not.
Greatness.
Brilliant.
I'm back in the game.
2,
Oh my god.
3. Shoot within 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you're dizzy. Eric's never been drunk before, you know? Don't drink. The cheated.
Man was. It's like an elephant, bro.
Let's go. Turn.
Up. 3, 2, 1. Aim for the top of the hill and let the hill do the rest. I believe in this.
No pressure. No pressure. I just wanted to let you know.
Oh, dear.
Exactly.
That's exactly.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Yeah. What's it saying? Got a bit of pace.
Oh man.
This is his third shot.
Wait, how did I do it this way?
Last.
Go. 3 seconds.
3,
1, 2,
No, I can't.
3.
1.
Yes! Come on!
Oh!
Yes! You ate one.
Oh! That's mad.
You need this? Wow.
Come on!
Did I hit the flag?
Here it is for the PGFA Championship. Can he do it?
I might win here, you know, lads.
one, Gary. We're gonna calculate this. I know what yours are. We're gonna calculate it. Yeah.
Oh my God, Gary!
Oh my God, Brad!
You taking a piss out of my accent, Gary.
I am, Brad.
That's so bizarre, Gary. Just rolled into the hole. We need a replay on that one. Outstanding.
I don't get shaken.
Shaken?
Yeah, that's my word.
How do I get shaken?
I don't get shaken.
Shut up. David, take a shot, man. You're not in the game.
It's all over.
Oh, wow. That's solid putts, isn't it?
No, you're not.
You're in dreamland. That might be in. He's used my technique. He tried, didn't he?
Yeah, finish.
Did you win, Ben?
Yeah. If Ricky gets this, he's par with me, but.
Oh!
Oh, wow.
Me, man! Why?
Whose ball's this?
I could have won.
Might be mine.
You pop.
Yeah.
I could have won.
Get back. He's done it again.
Just stay, man. Stay, for goodness sake.
Yeah, you haven't raised. Yeah.
Alright, Ricky, this is a big point here.
Only Ricky stands in the way of Ruben and that PFGA Championship now.
The pressure is immense. I can feel the tension.
This is what dreams are made of. Can he do it, Brad?
Oh, he won! Ruben won! Oh my God!
That was such a bad putt.
That's it. What are you doing?
This guy, bro. Alright, I'm gonna go for Eric while I'm wearing his national flag. I'm gonna hurt him. I wanna hurt him. I wanna make him clench. Alright, Eric, you gonna clench up?
Lord of mercy.
Yeah,
free.
bro. Let's go. 8 more.
Well, you better hurt David. That performance that David put in.
Look back at it like that.
No, that's.
You ready?
Look at the camera.
Wrap it big, though.
Alright, who wants
Hey,
it?
you can't. No, look at Eric. You can't do that.
He gave me this one.
Yeah, David, David, come in. Oh my God.
Oh!
Damn!
Oh my!
Oh, heads were flying.
I don't like this. I went for that one. I've been.
Go on, one more. One more. I'm hitting him next.
That's 5.
I heard the winner gets 5 shots.
Alright, go on, Ben.
Let me try a little safe one. A little safe one. A little safe one.
I'm sorry, his leg. He's gonna lose this. I get it. Oh! I couldn't have done that.
You can't, that's why you should look.
3 more.
Yeah, Ben, go on. Jordan, you wasted one. I was a pure waste. You didn't even scare him.
No!
I'm saying we do it all at the same time for the last one. Ben! Wait, is Ben done now?
I kicked the floor,
One
man.
for me, one for Jordan. Same time?
Yes.
Alright.
What?
Same time. Huh? Same time. Ready?
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Hey! Move! No, I'm gonna lick you in your back! Hey! Lucky boy!
Get 1
Scars from the
attempt.
war and that.
Yeah, hey,
I'm a
losers
soldier.
get 1.
That's it, ladies and gentlemen, for the PFGA Tour has come to an end, and I'd like to thank everyone involved and congratulations to Ruben for taking home the first spot.
Well deserved victory there by Ruben, and great coverage all around by Some Sports. We'll be back next time.
He's Gary Bennett and I'm Brad White, and that's it, folks.